the ultimate internet management guide for home, work, and business. This video helps individuals, entrepreneurs, teams, and businesses understand how to manage the internet efficiently, covering online presence data and privacy, internet productivity, security, network and device management, future internet trends. 1. Introduction. What is internet management? Key points. Controlling and optimizing your internet use, assets, security, and presence. Why internet management is essential today: home, work, business, learning. Who needs it? Everyone from students to CEOs. Are you using the internet, or is it using you? 2. Digital asset management. Managing websites, domains, hosting, and content, social media branding and account security, reputation management. Google yourself. Tips to centralize your digital identity. Tools mentioned: Notion, Google Workspace, GoDaddy, Linktree. 3. Internet productivity and workflow systems. Key points. Reducing distractions, apps, tabs, social media. Tools for workflow optimization, calendar, automation, tracking. Time blocking and focus strategies using extensions and apps to boost focus. Recommended tools: Trello, Notion, ClickUp, Freedom, Stay Focus. 4. Device and network management. Key points. Managing Wi-Fi networks, bandwidth, and devices, parental controls and access management using routers and mesh networks effectively. Business-level network monitoring tips. Set limits, schedule updates, and use guest networks for security. 5. Cybersecurity and privacy management. Key points. Managing passwords, multi-factor authentication, MFA, VPNs, and private browsing, identifying phishing, scams, and unsafe links, backups, firewalls, and encryption. Top tools: LastPass, NordVPN, Bitwarden, Google Authenticator. 6. Data management and cloud usage. Key points. Managing cloud files across Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, organizing data across devices and platforms, avoiding digital clutter, file naming systems, and cleanup days. Syncing and automation for backups. Cloud tools: Google Drive, iCloud, Sync.com, Dropbox, OneDrive. 7. Managing online communication and collaboration. Key points. Email management, Inbox Zero, folders, filters. Messaging apps: Slack, Teams, Discord. Video call efficiency: Zoom, Meet. Netiquette: clarity, tone, boundaries. Tips: use templates, schedule do not disturb hours, and organize channels. 8. Future of internet management. Key points. AI and smart automation tools, e.g., AI scheduling, chatbots. Smart homes and IoT device management, digital well-being and screen time balance, blockchain and decentralized internet trends. The internet is the most powerful tool in the world, but only if you control it. Summary: from digital chaos to digital clarity, managing your internet is managing your life. Start organizing, protecting, and optimizing your online world today. Habib, thanks for watching.